As part of its 1GWM global strategy, the Haval brand has revamped its urban SUV lineup and launched a new model. The Haval H6L isn't a replacement for the H6. It's an update of the H6 series. The Haval H6L features an aesthetic design called Rhythmic Nature. At first glance, it appears more relaxed and balanced than the H6. Tyndall Light dot-point headlights and lava-like taillights are the finishing touches, creating an air of technology and ceremony when illuminated. The side profile exudes a dynamic stance with a straight, clear shoulder line that flows seamlessly from the headlights to the taillights. The new car measures 4,800 millimeters in length, width, and height, and has a wheelbase of 2,810 millimeters. This increased volume creates a more powerful stance, while the refined surface design avoids any impression of bulkiness. At the rear, the split taillights have a lava-like design, continuing the X-shaped design of the front, creating a visually unified experience. It adopts the popular T-shaped symmetrical interior layout, and the combination of different materials and colors creates a pleasant visual impact. The workmanship and materials are also excellent in the same class. The new vehicle is available in 3 color options: Autumn Brown Beige, Exploration Black, and Canyon Brown. The intelligent cockpit is equipped with a 14.6-inch central control display and a 12.3-inch full LCD instrument cluster. 16 gigabytes of RAM ensures exceptionally smooth operation. The voice assistant responds in just 250 milliseconds, supports multiple commands, and can execute multiple commands continuously. Offering the most comprehensive connectivity options in its class, it ensures seamless integration with the vehicle's computer system. Whether you are a Huawei, Xiaomi, Apple, Oppo, or Vivo user. The automatic parking system adapts to over 200 parking space types, providing a high recognition success rate and quick parking, making it particularly user-friendly for novice drivers. The high-resolution 10-inch HUD effectively reduces driver distraction and enhances safety. Thanks to its 2,810 mm wheelbase, the new vehicle offers excellent passenger space. Both front and rear seats offer ample head and legroom. The rear seats, with 2-position backrest adjustments up to 27-32 degrees, provide a comfortable position and minimize fatigue on long journeys. The vehicle's 28 storage compartments maximize space utilization, providing a dedicated space for cell phones, cards, water bottles, and other personal items. The trunk is quite spacious and can accommodate a stroller without folding, making it easy to carry luggage on family trips or during the New Year's holidays. Comfort features. The in-house developed Nice 2.0 front seats are equipped with dual-density foam for excellent support and comfort. High-end models also feature ventilation, heating, and massage functions. Most importantly, the H6L offers class-exclusive full-seat heating and a heated steering wheel, ensuring the whole family can enjoy warmth even during the coldest winter months. The powertrain is the vehicle's key selling point. Equipped with Great Wall's latest 6th-generation 2.0T high-output engine, it produces 175 kilowatts of maximum power and 385 newton-meters of torque. It is also paired with the world's first 2nd-generation 9DCT wet dual-clutch transmission. In real-world driving, this powertrain's performance is impressive. The turbocharger, which launches quickly, engages smoothly and promptly, with virtually no delay. Even at medium and high speeds, the engine maintains ample power, allowing for confident overtaking and merging. The official 0 to 100 km/h time of 7.2 seconds is quite impressive for a mid-size family SUV. Even more striking is that despite this impressive performance, fuel consumption is extremely well controlled. Thanks to the Miller cycle and intelligent thermal management technologies, the WLTC combined fuel consumption is just 7.4 liters. During our test drive, which covered a mix of city, suburban, and highway traffic, the claimed fuel consumption was approximately 6.9 liters, representing exceptional fuel economy for a 2.0-liter engine. The NVH control throughout the vehicle is also commendable. Double-layer laminated glass in the front row and generous use of sound-dampening materials ensure a consistently quiet environment. Combined with the high-quality 10-speaker sound system, the ride becomes a pleasure. Regarding the chassis, it utilizes a combination of McPherson struts up front and multi-link suspension at the rear, and its overall design prioritizes comfort.